Good day everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about the role of nursing informatics in patient care. In today's healthcare environment, technology plays a vital role in improving the quality, safety, and efficiency of patient care. One important field that connects healthcare and technology is nursing informatics. Nursing informatics combines nursing science, computer science, and information technology to help nurses manage data, communicate effectively, and make better clinical decisions. As healthcare systems continue to modernize, nursing informatics has become a vital part of delivering patient-centered care. One of the main roles of nursing informatics is to improve the accuracy and accessibility of patient information. Through electronic health records, nurses can quickly access a patient's medical history, medications, allergies, laboratory results, and treatment plans. This reduces the need for paper records, minimizes errors caused by illegible handwriting, and ensures the important information is available in real time. With complete and updated records, nurses can provide safer and more efficient care. Nursing informatics also enhances communication among healthcare professionals in hospitals and clinics. Nurses work closely with doctors, pharmacists, therapists, and other team members. Digital systems allows healthcare providers to share updates instantly, coordinate treatment plans, and respond faster to patient needs. For example, when a nurse enters vital signs or reports a change in a patient conditions, the healthcare team can immediately review the information and take appropriate action. This teamwork leads to better patient outcomes. Another important contribution of nursing informatics is supporting clinical decision making. Many healthcare systems use tools such as alerts, reminders, and evidence-based guidelines. These tools can warn nurses about possible medication interactions, abnormal test results, or overdue treatments. By using this technology, nurses can make informed decisions and reduce the risk of mistakes. As a result, patients receive a safer and high-quality care. In addition, nursing informatics improves efficiency and saves time. Automated charting systems, barcode medication administration, and scheduling software reduce repetitive tasks and paperwork. Nurses can spend less time on documentation and more time focusing on direct patient care. This increased efficiency benefits both patients and healthcare providers. Nursing informatics also plays a role in patient education and management and engagement. Many hospitals now use patient portals and mobile health applications that allow patients to view their records, schedule appointments, and receive health information. Nurses can use these tools to educate patients about medications, lifestyle changes, and treatment plans. When patients are more informed and involved, they are more likely to follow recommendations and manage their health successfully. However, despite its many benefits, informatics also presents challenges. Nurses must properly trained to use digital systems effectively. Healthcare information must protect patients' privacy and ensure data security. Technical issues such as system downtime or software errors can also affect patient care. Therefore, continuous training, system improvements, and strong cybersecurity measures are necessary.